Hi everyone, and welcome back to another Stay Healthy and Waste Less class. My name is Anna and I am a registered dietitian at Leah's Pantry. Before we begin, I have a special announcement on a promotion we have. The first 20 people to watch each new virtual class, including this one, will receive free $6 vouchers to buy fruits and vegetables at local farmers markets. The link to the survey will be provided at the end of the video. After you complete the survey, you'll also receive a voucher guide on how to use the vouchers and where they can be redeemed. So in our survey, we ask what you want to learn in the next class, and one of our viewers, M Kintz, please forgive me if I mispronounced your name, and requested to learn more about plant-based eating and vegan cooking. Thank you so much for sending in this request. I thought this could make a great virtual class. There can be so many benefits to our health and our planet for fitting in more plant-based meals. I'm not saying all of us have to go 100% plant-based or vegan. All I'm saying is there can be benefits to our health and environment for fitting in more quality plant-based foods like fruits and vegetables, beans, whole grains, you've heard it. And research supports all the health benefits time and time again. And most importantly, it could be just as tasty as your favorite foods, maybe even better. Today, I'll be making an easy vegan pesto. I've made this recipe twice already, and it is super easy and delicious. It's flavorful and cheesy without the cheese. How do you make a vegan recipe cheesy without adding cheese? Well, my friend, I will show you. Let's get in the kitchen and get cooking.
So for your ingredients, you'll need fresh basil. This recipe calls for the stems to be removed, but keep those stems on. We don't waste food on this channel. The stems add flavor and it's going to be blended up anyway. You'll need 3 tablespoons of pine nuts or walnuts. Pine nuts are a bit pricey, so I went for walnuts. You'll need 3 large cloves of garlic, peeled. Don't forget to save those peels for your veggie stock. 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, or whatever salt you have, doesn't matter much. 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. 3 to 6 tablespoons of water. You may need a little bit more, so just have some extra ready. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Don't forget to save that lemon. You can repurpose the peel to make a non-toxic, pet-friendly cleaner. Or you can use the rinds to remove stains or clean your kitchen. You can also zest the peel to add flavor to your next pasta dish or use it in baking. Next, you'll need 3 to 4 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. So this is where the cheese flavor comes in. Nutritional yeast is an inactivated form of yeast. I know it sounds a little funky, but trust me, it's good. It has a nice, nutty, and savory flavor that goes great with sauces, scrambles, kale chips, or sprinkle this over vegetables or popcorn for a tasty quarantine movie night. It is a popular vegan cheese substitute and a good source of B vitamins, which can help us function properly, such as supporting our immune system and producing energy. Nutritional yeast can be tricky to find in your typical grocery store, but you can order this online or find this in some health food stores. Speaking of cheese, I have a trivia question. According to the California Water Education Foundation, how many gallons of water does it take to produce 1 ounce of cheese? About 56 gallons of water. That's 896 cups. If you drink about, let's say, 8 cups of water a day, that is enough to hydrate you for about 112 days. That's nearly 4 months. This could have kept me hydrated for all this time I've been stuck at home. Not to make anyone feel bad for buying cheese. I like cheese too, but this really made me think twice about the impact animal products like cheese have on the planet. Okay, back to the recipe.
So for the equipment, you'll need a food processor or a blender, measuring spoons and cups. I don't have any measuring spoons and cups shown here. I pretty much eyeballed most of the ingredients. A tasting spoon, of course, jars or containers with tight fitting lids. Add the basil, nuts, garlic, lemon juice, nutritional yeast and salt to a food processor or your small blender and blend on high until a loose paste forms. Add olive oil a little at a time. Pour it in while the machine is on if possible. Scrape down sides as needed and add about a tablespoon of water at a time until your desired consistency. Taste and adjust the flavor as needed. Add more nutritional yeast for cheesy flavor, salt for saltiness, nuts for nuttiness, garlic for bite or zing, or lemon juice for more acidity. Once you've customized the flavor, you're done. Have fun with your new pesto sauce. Add this to your pasta or dressings. Use it as a spread for your sandwiches. I put a little dab of it on my hummus and it was delicious. Store any leftovers covered in the refrigerator for up to a week, or freeze it and store it up to about a month or more. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope you learned something new, whether it's a new recipe you want to try or just a fun fact about how much water goes into making cheese. Don't forget to fill out our online form to receive your $6 vouchers. Until next time, stay healthy and waste less, everyone. Bye-bye. How does it taste?
Good. Best. Best. Best.